Welcome back to another round of 16 match between Switzerland versus Egypt. The match has been started. Widmir, beautiful pass to Mbello. Just directed but defended by the goalkeeper. Corner kick. Nicely clear. What a start by Switzerland. Trezeguet this time. Widmir again leading the ball. Nicely clear. Trezeguet. Beautiful pass to Marmosh. Directed but touch to the left pole. Nicely clear. Embolo. Chance for Embolo. Touch to the player. Nicely clear by the goalkeeper. Hamdi. Trezeguet. Leading. Beautiful pass to Hamdi. Nicely clear by the defenders. Again chance but beautifully clear. 21 minutes have been passed. Still both team players putting their full effort to attack to achieve the goal. Let's see who will do the first goal. Marwan, beautiful pass. Omar Marmosh. Big chance for Omar Marmosh. Beautifully dodged. Nicely clear. Ahmed leading. Beautiful pass to Mohammad Hani. Zakaria was there. Passing to Embolo. Ramo this time leading the ball. Touch to the player. Only 10 minutes remaining for the first half to be completed. Trezeguet. Beautifully picked by the goalkeeper. Kobel. Marwan this time. Again clear the ball. Trezeguet passing to Omar Marmosh. Big chance, Trezeguet. Beautiful pass, hit it and goal. Beautifully kicked by Mohamed Salah. Nicely. One kick directly hit to the net. Trezeguet and one kick directly hit to the net. Beautiful passing combination between the players. What a nice kick by Mohamed Salah. Switzerland 0, Egypt 1. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the last of the first half, the both player Trezeguet and Mohamed Salah did magnificent combination. Mohamed Salah again directed but outside of the pole. A big pressure built on Switzerland team players because 50 minutes have been passed. Still Switzerland could not achieve the goal. Egypt is already again attacking, defended. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. Embolo. Had it.
The attendance for this match was 62,005.
Zakaria. Mohamed Salah but outside of the pole. 61 minutes have been passed. Still Switzerland could not achieve the goal. There is a chance but beautifully clear by the defenders and the goalkeeper. Embolo. Endoy, but outside of the pole. Only 20 minutes remaining for Switzerland to achieve the goal to make the game equal. Otherwise, Egypt is already attacking. They can achieve the second goal and that will become impossible for Switzerland to come back. Mohamed Salah and Toy. Ramo, this time leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Mbolo. Nicely clear. Chance, Mbolo directed and goal. After 81 minutes, Mbolo did it. Beautiful touch and directly hit to the net. No move, just take the ball and hit to the net. That was not a shot, that is a bullet kick. What a magnificent goal done by Switzerland team players. Omar Marmoush. Imam missed it. After 85 minutes, both team players are on equal points. Enjoy. Widmere this time. Widmere leading the ball, hit and touch to the upper pole. The time is over. Switzerland won, Egypt won. Both teams are on equal points.